New generations of automobiles contain increasingly diverse materials like advanced high-strength steels, aluminum, magnesium, or carbon fiber that require specific repair procedures. Caroliner works closely with vehicle manufacturers, also known as original equipment manufacturers or OEMs, in order to provide the best solutions to collision centers worldwide. This relationship allows us to develop and build holding, anchoring, measuring equipment, and repair processes to meet each manufacturer's specific repair requirements. As a result, Caroliner has established the world's most comprehensive vehicle database with crucial information to accurately restore vehicles back to the correct specifications. The database provides complete measurement specifications for both upper and under body, including detailed information for parts in and parts out, A and B pillar locations, engine compartment, and rear hatch openings, featuring all the components required to properly and safely secure the vehicle onto the frame bench. Each and every vehicle we provide specifications for has been brought into our labs to be validated and photographed by the Caroliner International Measuring Team. We take pride in engineering, designing, and manufacturing the industry's finest products. Our benches are manufactured for maximum strength using high-grade Swedish steel for superior durability. With automated milling machines, we achieve the highest level of accuracy, enabling all of our components to precisely attach to the bench and the vehicle. Our EVO systems are manufactured to the same standard as our benches, with extreme attention to detail and the latest technology to meet the strict demands of the OEMs. Our products are tested and approved by a variety of vehicle manufacturers with thousands of approved products. Caroliner is a brand of Snap-on equipment, and we have a global footprint in over 70 countries. Since 1973, we've been committed to delivering the most valuable solutions to increase your collision center's efficiency, productivity, and profitability.